For this lesson, we're going to show you how to keep score in a ring where the judges do not have tablets or iPads. So they will not be entering their scores. You'll be doing it for them. So you enter the app. Again, you go to the Scorekeeper option. You select the date, the ring, and the event that you're going to score. And we're going to find an event here. Let's try to find a color belt. Not too many people. Let's do musical weapons, 18 and over, green to brown. There are male, female. There are 4 people signed up, so we'll click on that. Hit proceed. Now, what we see on this screen is the event itself, to make sure we're in the correct event. The status is that it's upcoming. We haven't started the event yet. These 3 green buttons are for us to let the system know who the judges are. So we're going to click on this one and we're going to log in Judge Sensei Jessica Juarez. We're going to make the center judge. It's important that you put the center judge on the center judge button, Shihan Kasamasa. And for the third judge, we're going to say that we can't find them in the list. So we're just going to put Sensei Lennie Lennie Sage, S-A-G-E. Save it. And now Lennie's added to the system. Sensei now appears as the third judge. The next thing that you need to do in the system is take a roll of the participants and see who's there. We have Amber, Courtney, Michael, and Tanya. All 4 of these signed up for this event. And we're going to say that all 4 of them are there. So to let the system know that they're there, when they appear in red, the system thinks they are not checked in yet. But all you have to do is click on each of the names, and it will change to red, or back to green if you click on it, or back to red if you. It'll change to black when they're there, or back to red if you accidentally clicked on the wrong person. But we're going to say all 4 are here, so we're going to click on all 4 names, turn them to black, and then we're going to go up and we're going to start the event. So what I just did was there's the 3 dots up here are your menu button. So at any point in the setting up of an event or the running of an event, there may be certain things that you need to do, and the menu button brings those intelligent buttons up. So if somebody wasn't there that needed to be there, we could add a student. If the event was too large, we could move or split the event. But right now we're just going to start the event. And it changes from upcoming to started. And what happened down here was the system did a shuffle for us and automatically shuffled, and now it put them in the order that it expects to see them appear. So our first contestant is Michael Roney. So Michael comes up and performs, then Courtney performs, then Amber, and then Tanya. And since the judges do not have tablets, the scoring doesn't occur until it's all over. The judges figure out what their scores are, and then as a scorekeeper, you call the people up in the same order in which they competed, and the judges will hold up the placard saying what their scores are. And so when the judges hold up a placard, now you click on the name of the person. In this case, it's Michael Roney. So we click on Michael Roney, and a couple of the options we have, one of them is scores, so we click on scores, and the judges present their placards, and you record them here. So Michael got 988, 988, and 989, and you save it. You call Courtney up. You see it appears here. You call Courtney up. Courtney got a 989, 989, 988. Amber got 986, 986, 986. And, well, let's also say that while Courtney scored high, Courtney dropped her weapon during the event and the center judge indicated to you that you needed to take a deduction. So one of the options, besides scores, is deduction. So we're going to select drop weapon and add that to Courtney. Close it, and now we see that Courtney has a D over here, which means she has a deduction applied. And then Tanya, we're going to score Tanya, and Tanya got 987, 987, and 987, and save. Once we enter the last one in the list, it's scored for us. Now what we see here is that even though Courtney got the higher scores, her drop weapon deduction drops her back to 4th place. So then we call the people up, hand out the cards for the winners. Michael first, Tanya second, Amber third, and Courtney fourth. When that's all done, we just go back up to our menu button and we indicate that the event is over. It's that simple.